Hello everyone, this is A. Namrata Ramesh. I am studying in grade 9 of Scottspine International School. Today I am giving a small speech on a beautiful Indian historical place, the Ajanta Caves. The Buddhist caves in Ajanta are approximately 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments dating from the 2nd century BCE to about 480 CE in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state in India. The caves include paintings and rock-cut sculptures described as among the finest surviving examples of ancient Indian art, particularly expressive paintings that present emotions through gesture and pose and form. They are universally regarded as masterpieces of Buddhist religious art. Since 1983, the Ajanta Caves have been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Ajanta Caves constitute ancient monasteries and worship halls of different Buddhist traditions carved into a 75-meter wall of rock. The caves also present paintings depicting the past lives and rebirths of the Buddha, pictorial tales from Aryasura's Jatakamala, and rock-cut sculptures of Buddhist deities. Textual records suggest that these caves served as a monsoon retreat for monks as well as resting sites for merchants and pilgrims in ancient India. While vivid colors and mural wall paintings were abundant in Indian history as evidenced by historical records, Caves 16, 17, 1 and 2 of Ajanta form the largest corpus of surviving ancient Indian wall painting. The Ajanta Caves are mentioned in the memoirs of several medieval era Chinese Buddhist travelers to India by a Mughal era official of Akbar era in the early 17th century. They were covered by jungle until accidentally discovered and brought to Western attention in the 1819 by a colonial British officer, Captain John Smith, on a tiger hunting party. The caves are in a rocky northern wall of the U-shaped gorge of River Waghur in the Deccan Plateau. Within the gorge are a number of waterfalls audible from outside the caves when the river is high. With the Ellora Caves, Ajanta is one of the major tourist attractions of Maharashtra. The Ajanta style is also found in the Ellora Caves and other sites such as the Elephant Caves, Aurangabad Caves, Shivaleni Caves and the cave temples of Karnataka.